an extremely rare puppy born with 6 legs, 4 testicles, a second penis, 2 colons, 2 bladders, and 2 pelvises. Wasn't expected to live for too long, but he has now defied all odds to survive surgeries and lead a healthy life. Raga and German Shepherd wasn't expected to live past puppyhood, but now he has moved to a new home with loving parents. The dog was first brought to VCA Advanced Veterinary Care Center in Fishers, Indiana last fall. Vets were baffled by the fact that it had 2 legs that were partly joined, 2 colons, an extra bladder, an extra pelvis, and an extra set of genitals. A rescue brought him to us just to see if we thought he had a chance at surviving. It looked like he shouldn't. Kina Elliott, veterinary technical supervisor at the faculty, was quoted as saying by Newsweek. The hospital manager at the time asked Elliott to foster Raga temporarily when a team attempted to save his life. Everyone knew the odds, but Raga wasn't like other dogs born with abnormalities. He ran around and did all kinds of things a normal puppy does. Doctors realized Raga's case was a complicated one as his body was sending fecal matter to his genitals when he arrived at the hospital. This has also caused a severe infection. Nevertheless, the team of vets went ahead with a series of complicated surgeries to remove the extra limbs in December. This was followed by surgeries on his internal organs to remove his extra genitals and urinary tract. Beating all odds, Raga survived the surgeries and is now a healthy 7-month-old dog. Raga still needs a second neutering but has remained healthy after 2 complicated procedures. He still lives with Elaine, with whom he has bonded very well since 2021. We have spent so much time together, we have gone through a lot together, and we are very much attached. I decided that he was already home, said Elliott.